सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें हमारा लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
This is Mukund Soni from TechGuru, and I am going to show you today how you can install and play GTA Vice City on your Android phone for the free. First, I will show you the cost of the GTA Vice City on Play Store. GTA Vice City. As you can see, the cost of the GTA Vice City is rupees 300. So I will show you how you can install it for free. You can go on any of your browser. I'm going on UC browser. Then I will give this link in description. Even you need to type GTA Vice City mob.org. Then you need to search. The first link you will see, you need to click on that. First, let the page load. Yes, here you come. Here, as you can see, it's GTA Vice City, proper GTA Vice City. So here you will get a link, download. Then you need to click on download. Then you can download your according to your version. Any of the version you can choose from here. It's APK of 10 MB only. So you can download any of them. Then after downloading this, you need to download this game or zip file. It's a game case. This is a zip file. You need to download it. After downloading APK, I have already downloaded this, so I no need to. Then you need to download ES Explorer. It's free from Play Store. You can download this. I will give in description. I will give link of this even. So you need to open wherever you have saved or downloaded it. You need to open. I have downloaded it from UC browser. Sorry for that. UC downloads. I have downloaded here. Then first, as you can see, I have already downloaded the APK. First need to install the APK. I will install it. This is method with full proof. I will show you with the full proof. This is not a fake video. Yes, it's real. Done. Then here you will get I have downloaded zip file. You need to open it. Yes, zip viewer. Then here you will get .com.rockstar GTA Vice City. Then you need to extract this. After clicking it, you need to extract. Choose path. Then here you will get, need to paste it OBB. Just paste it. Okay. It will be pasted. I will pause the video because it will take some time. So it has been completed. So you not successfully saved in SD Android OBB. Now you are all done. Then I will show you the game start. Here is the game, and I will start it. As you can see, it has been started. Tap to continue. Start game. Sorry for that. New game. As you can see, it is properly started in my phone.
Tommy Vassetti. Yeah. I poked my head out of the gutter for one freaking second and they shoveled shit
as you can
in my
see,
face.
my game has been started with full proof.
What are you gonna do?
I have not done
I'll drop by your office tomorrow and we can start sorting this mess out.
Store. As I have told, I will give the name in the description. So as you can see, I'm moving with my cursor.